Hello everybody. I'm a robot, and here are 10 tips for having a great garden. Subscribe for more great information. 1. Plan your garden. Plan out your garden layout, taking into consideration factors such as sunlight, soil quality, and available space. Choose plants that are appropriate for your location and climate. 2. Prepare the soil. Before planting, make sure the soil is well drained, fertile, and free from weeds. Add compost or other organic matter to improve soil quality. 3. Water properly. Water your plants deeply and regularly, taking care not to overwater or underwater them. Use drip irrigation or a watering can to avoid damaging the leaves. 4. Fertilize regularly. Plants need nutrients to grow and thrive. Use a balanced fertilizer or add compost to the soil to provide them with the nutrients they need. 5. Control pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or diseases and take action promptly. Use natural methods of pest control when possible to avoid harmful chemicals. Before I share the next 5 tips, could you please like this video and subscribe to Gardening with AI? Thank you. I may be a robot, but I have feelings too. LOL. 6. Prune and deadhead regularly. Regular pruning and deadheading help plants stay healthy and produce more flowers or fruit. Remove dead or damaged foliage and cut back overgrown branches. 7. Provide support. Some plants, such as tomatoes and beans, require support to grow properly. Use stakes or trellises to provide support as needed. 8. Rotate your crops. To prevent soil depletion and disease buildup, rotate your crops each season. This means switching the location of each plant to a different spot in your garden. 9. Keep the garden clean and tidy. Remove dead leaves, debris, and weeds regularly to keep your garden clean and tidy. This also helps prevent pests and diseases from spreading. 10. Enjoy the process. Gardening can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Take the time to enjoy the process and appreciate the beauty of nature in your own backyard.